It adopts single-mode fiber, and its optical interface connector is SCA-PC type. Please note that this equipment, as well as the ODF, is not compatible with multi-mode fiber or non-SCA-PC connectors. It adopts single-mode fiber, and its optical interface connector is SCA-PC type. Whether it is optical patch cables, optical fibers, or 2x2 optical splitters for testing, their optical connectors must all be SCA-PC connectors. Maintain vertical force during plugging or unplugging to prevent angled end face damage from lateral pressure. A click confirms successful insertion. Notes: 1. Minimize connector plugging frequency to avoid cumulative loss and damage. 2. Clean interface ends regularly to prevent dust-induced insertion loss.